Hello everybody, for today's video mga kabiyukonaras, Nikki Dimura ng Philippines ipinasilip ang kaniyang preliminary evening gown designed by Ryan Fernandez para sa preliminary competition ng Miss Grand International 2023. Narito ating panoorin.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself.
Mga kabiyukonaras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.